Hi, welcome back to Make It with Mod Podge. Today I've got a really fun, quick upcycle. We're going to be creating these cool pumpkin kind of Halloween fall lanterns. These are solar lanterns. I'm just using some recycled glass jars, and these really cool toppers are just solar lanterns from the dollar store. Now, of course, I've added all sorts of fun bits to it to get that cool orange color. I'm just using tissue paper and satin Mod Podge. This is so easy, super beginner friendly, and these will look so cute on your patio, your deck, your porch. As soon as the sun goes down, these babies will light up and glow like pumpkins. All right, I'm Kathy Fillion. Let's dive in and get crafty. For this project, we're using a few simple supplies. We've got our cleaned out jar, our solar lantern, and some decorations. We're gonna use tissue paper and some rope for the top lid and satin Mod Podge. The first step is that we're going to be cutting our tissue paper into square shapes. Now, these squares don't have to be perfect shapes, and they can all be different sizes. That kind of creates a cool look. So make sure that you start with a cleaned out jar and remove the label. We're going to apply the tissue paper using the satin Mod Podge. You can also use gloss or matte for this project. You'll just apply a liberal coat of Mod Podge to the outside of the jar. Then I just use my paintbrush to pick up a tissue square, and you'll just begin placing them right on the jar. For this particular project, I'm Mod Podging right on over the threaded or the top portion of the jar. We're gonna be wrapping cords there and decorations, so I just want that orange background for there. You'll continue adding all of the pieces, layering them on top of each other until the entire jar is covered. Once it's covered, you'll set it aside and let it dry. Now we're ready to decorate. So for the lid, I'm just going to separate the top of the solar lantern from the base. We're only using the top. And we're going to use some rope to create a thicker base. That way it will fit into our jar. So we're going to just glue our rope around the outer edge. You can layer this up as large or as small as needed, depending upon the opening of your jar. I'm using hot glue to attach, but you could really use any of your favorite craft glues. So you can see how now with that added rope, these solar lanterns just fit right on the top of our recycled jar. Now's the fun part. We just get to decorate. I'm using leaves, acorns, and twine. You can do this however you like. Keep it simple and modern, or add lots of leaves for a more folksy look. Okay, that's how easy it is to make those. We only have one last step to do, and that is that you need to pull the tab on your solar lanterns, and then as soon as that is covered up and it's in dark, you can see how they turn on. Let's see, it's a little bright in here, so I don't know if I can get them to show up their true colors. Here we go. See, this one's so as soon as it's dark, I'm just gonna cheat it and cover it like that. But it's so easy, you just pull that little tab, and then boom, they're ready to turn on. So you can do these for any holiday. I'm doing these pumpkin ones, but I've done them summery ones, holiday themed ones, you name it. Just grab some fun tissue paper and create these cool upcycled solar lanterns. Thanks so much for joining me today. Make sure you use those hashtags Mod Podge and Plaid Crafts so everybody at Plaid can see what you're making. I'll be back here next Thursday with another fun Mod Podge idea for you. Have a great week.